At what point do you decide a lead is dead?
When they say stop calling, or if they say stop calling, it's dead. If their property is worth 150 and they're like, give me 200,000 or something like that, we don't waste our time with those people.
Yeah, you got to learn. I think that's the number one thing when starting out. Like if someone's wasting your time, you got to cut out the old lady that wants to talk to you for an hour that's not going to want to sell her house. That's just wasted time. You could be trying for dollars.
Waste of time. Just get them off the list. Remember, guys, we're not dealing with the majority of the market. We're dealing with the minority of the market who doesn't want to sell but needs to sell. So that's who we want to stay in front of. The people who need to sell, not the people who want to sell. Somebody who wants to sell, they can go list their house with a realtor and sell the house to the open market. But the people we deal with, if they were to list their house with a realtor, 90% of the time, the buyer would not be able to get a loan for that house because it needs so much work and things of that nature. Like I have banks pull out on me on houses I own because of it could be mold under the house. Mold in the house just means it got wet under the house and mold for them, and the banks pull out like, oh no, we're not funding that. So. Yeah, man. It's so the people I had to fix that issue for it to get, funded from another buyer. But however, with that being said, man, the people you want to deal with people who don't want to sell their house but need to sell their house.
Yep. Got to be motivated. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.